Hi, I am from Techie Dialogue, and in this video we will learn how to add icon to exe file. Stay tuned as I guide you step by step to make your exe file look more personalized and professional. Step 1. To change the exe file icon, we need to download a tool called Resource Hacker. Scroll to the bottom of the page, download the exe file, wait for the download to finish, and then install it by following the setup instructions. Step 2. Once Resource Hacker is installed, open it and click on File, then select Open. Locate the exe file whose icon you want to change and open it. This allows you to load the file into the program so you can edit its resources. Step 3. Now we need the icon replacement. Minimize the folder for now, and in your internet browser, go to iconicons.com. Search for the icon you want, select the one that matches your preference, choose 32 pixels for the size, set the file type to ICO, and then download it. Remember the location of your downloaded file. Step 4. Go back to Resource Hacker and click on Add Binary or Image Resource. Then click Select File, locate the downloaded icon, and open it. Once added, you will see two new folders named Icon and Icon Group in the Resources section. Step 5. Now click on Save As, then click Save. In the confirmation prompt, select Yes to overwrite the original exe file. Go back to your exe file folder, and you will see that the icon has changed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more updates.